Good morning. I'm Mrs. K. Ghosh and I'll be teaching you English language. This lesson is for class 12, sections A, B, C, D. I am continuing the topic prepositions. Today we'll see some other uses of some other prepositions. The first preposition I've taken today is about. It is now about 9 o'clock. The princes have gone to write about the country. Please let me know all about the war. She is about to be married. See the use of preposition about. Above, the second preposition. This passage is above his power of comprehension. He is above all meanness. He lives above his means. Third preposition, after. After death comes the judgment. What is he after? He is a child after my own heart. The son takes after his father. Against, the fourth preposition. You are acting against rule. You are hoping against hope. I am not prepared to vote against the motion. The fifth preposition, behind. Do not speak ill of a person behind his back. The train is behind time. The donkey walked close behind its master. Beyond, the sixth one. What can you say about the life beyond the grave? Do not live beyond your means. It is beyond the power of medicine to cure him. The seventh preposition, by. He travelled partly by land and partly by water. The West Indies won by even by 7 wickets. I caught him by the shoulder. Can you tell the time by your watch? I am sure to be here by sunset. As a son by his first wife. The eighth preposition, for. We are ready for battle. He hangs his head for shame. I know this for certain that he is innocent. I sell these at 12 for a rupee. She is brave for a woman. I would not give up for all the world. The ninth preposition, from. I have known him from a boy. I did it from gratitude and not from fear. Light comes from the sun. Can you tell a butterfly from a moth? The 10th preposition, into. The child was frightened into fits. He has got into difficulties. 11th preposition, of. He is a man of noble family. His brother is blind of one eye. He is quite confident of success. No more of that, please. He is a fast friend of mine. The president did not approve of his plan. His evidence is of great value. The 12th preposition, on. He had been hit on the head. Let us go on horseback. He has an authority on zoology. He lends money on good security. The ship is on the way to China. The doctor puts me on antibiotics. The 13th preposition, this is a compound preposition, out of. It is out of his power to get the young man employed. I paid him out of my own pocket. The book is now out of print. The 14th preposition, over. The water is all over the fields. You cannot get this thing done over. He has an advantage over me. His brother is blind of one eye. He is quite confident of success. No more of that, please. He is a fast friend of mine. The president did not approve of his plan. His evidence is of great value. The 12th preposition, on. He had been hit on the head. Let us go on horseback. He has an authority on geology. He lends money on good security. The ship is on the way to China. The doctor puts me on antibiotics. The 13th preposition, this is a compound preposition, out of. It is out of his power to get the young man employed. I paid him out of my own pocket. The book is now out of print. The 14th preposition, over. The water is all over the fields. You cannot get this thing done over. He has an advantage over me. The 15th preposition, through. He got his post through influence. He bore a hole through the door. He worked hard all through the year. He could not see through the game of the rascal. The 16th preposition, to. Are you prepared to say it to his face? Where does this road lead to? They fought to the last man. The poor man lives from hand to mouth. I hope the dinner is to your liking. He has given to something. The 17th preposition, under. There is nothing new under the sun. He travelled under the name of Colonel Verma. The house is still under repair. The 18th preposition, upon. Upon my words, he is a gentleman. We have evidence to go upon. I was thrown upon my own resources. The 19th preposition, within. Keep within doors, please. Keep your expenses within your income. The peon was ordered to be within call. 20th preposition, without. He escaped without damage. He will come to my help without fail. I have taken 20 more prepositions today, and these prepositions are common prepositions used. So you will have to make all these notifications in your English language register. You can use class 11th register also if you don't have a new register for class 12. Assignment 2. Fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. I am sick dash the whole business. He is deficient dash common sense. Do not prove false dash your friends. He is married dash a pretty girl. I insisted dash going. I wanted to dispense the services of my servant. He will be faithful dash his friends. I want a clerk familiar dash typewriting. The trench was filled dash stores. This book is not fit dash study.